Hello, everyone. My name is August. I'm a fellow student of yours in the CIS 106 Introduction to Info Technology at Strayer University. I wanted to take a brief moment just to go ahead and do a video and kind of walk you through some of the issues I was having with this Ucertified course portion of the website. Chances are the issue that I was having, most of you are probably having. Initially, I couldn't bring up the lab portion of the class, and as you can see here now, I have it. And the reason being that I couldn't bring it up, and I didn't really see anywhere I asked the professor link that anyone was able to, um, no one was able to supply a good reason why. The reason being is that the access code that they send you, they actually send you two of them. And when I initially went through my email, I just ran across this first one. It says access code, as you can see here. And that's the one that I used initially. And I think, like a lot of you, when I went on here and clicked, the add license, and then I clicked on this instructor, register for instructor-led class button. I went ahead and pasted the information in for the access code, but then I probably tried this first lab assignment one and pasted that in. And of course, as soon as I typed in my information, I submitted it and it didn't work. And then I initially went back and then tried this other one for the access or for the instructor key here, pasted that in, and it went through. And then when I tried to get the lab portion, all I did was I tried to resubmit that basically. And of course it doesn't work because of this access key. It's got to be different. So chances are if you're having problems with that, bringing up that lab portion, is that you need that second access code that they send you. And like I said, the email here is a little bit confusing because just reading the title, it says access code here, but there's no access code there. So like I said, that's probably the problem that you're having if you're still having it. And as you can see here, I was able to bring it up, and there's quite a bit of them, which I'll probably have to get a start on here right away. One other issue that I'll address real quick, because I got an email from another student who was having issues trying to share that information on this website with the instructor. From this main page, you just go ahead and click on the link, and this is the the class portion of the website. Right down here under this test history and performance analytics section, go ahead and click on that, and then it's just got all this information here, daily screenshots and test history, so on and so forth. So if you click on this study planner here, this is kind of like a snapshot, I guess, of everything that you're doing in this class, so to speak. The assessment test here is, I know, is there, or the pre-assessment. The flashcards, the quizzes, and the exercises are all here. Anytime you do work here, what you have to go ahead and do is click on your update button here, and then it regenerates a new URL for you that you can copy and paste it. And I just got to paste it in this Word document here. And I had initially pasted it here last night, but I had gone back through and I did something there. Not sure exactly what. So the only thing that was different for me was just this one little number here. As you can see, it went up by 1. So, but otherwise, it's the same URL, I believe. It's just that one little portion there that got changed. And so that's basically how you would do that. If you want to go over here to the test history and progress report, This kind of shows you all the different times that you retake the test. I've taken it several different times um, and had various results each time I've taken it. But you would just go on here. For example, you have the exercise 1 and quiz 1. Under actions here, you just go ahead and click on this little drop down button, click on results, and this shows you your results here. The overall time it took, whatever. And then under this share your result section, you just go ahead and click on your instructor or professor link, and it'll bring up this little modal window that you can copy that and paste it right into your Word document or wherever you're gonna save it. So once again, I mean, the issue here, as far as bringing up both the lab and the course portion, is just the fact that you need 2 access codes, not one of them. But as you can see from the email, only one of those emails actually uses the word access code. The other one's a lab exam 1 lab, I guess. But you'll need both of those, and you can cut and paste it. It doesn't make a difference. You just got to make sure that the access code and the instructor key both match up for the course and then for the lab. So well, thank you for your time, and hope you all can get the issues resolved and get the coursework and lab assignments done. Have a good day.